Hey, it's Nay, and today we're doing some hair. This video is a continuation of my previous video, The Truth About Transitioning from Relaxed to Natural Hair. If you want to know how we got here, you can check that video out to see how I detangled and prepped my hair prior to washing it. I'm in no way trying to persuade you to buy any of the products I'm using in this video. I'm just taking you through my wash routine and showing you what works for me and explaining why I use each product. I start my wash routine off with Jamaican Black Castor Superior Growth Shampoo. I really like this shampoo. It's a few dollars at the beauty supply store and it contains Jamaican castor oil, which is known for its strengthening properties. It gently cleanses my hair and removes all of the pre-shampoo that I put in while I was detangling. After I'm done using it, it does not leave my hair feeling dried out or crunchy. I wash one side thoroughly, rinse it out, and then I put it back in a bun and wash the other side. I repeat the process on the other side with the same product before I move on to the next product. The next shampoo I'm using is the Design Essentials Oat Protein and Henna Deep Cleansing Shampoo. This is actually my first time using this product. I got it because I needed a shampoo that would remove all of the buildup and products that I've been putting in my hair. I've mainly been focusing on using moisturizing shampoos, and I've noticed that my hair and scalp haven't really had that clean feeling like how I've been wanting. The purpose of cleansing shampoos is to really get your hair and scalp clean and prepped for the next round of products you're going to be using. I chose to get a cleansing shampoo instead of a clarifying shampoo because clarifying shampoos are stronger and they're made to remove all the buildup, dead skin cells, and product residue from your scalp and hair. This can leave hair dry and cause tangles, and I didn't want to take that risk. Since I've been transitioning, I've realized that if I make one wrong move during the wash or detangling process, it makes for a long, breakage-filled day. Now, Design Essentials is one of those brands that can be on the pricey side, but I have always been able to rely on them when I want a product that does exactly what it says it's going to do on the bottle. This shampoo left my hair and scalp feeling clean, but not too clean or dried out. The next product I used is this African Pride Moisture Miracle Shampoo. I like African Pride products because they have really made my transitioning process easy. The purpose of using this shampoo after the Design Essentials is so that it will put back in the moisture that the cleansing shampoo took out. It also softens my hair, and I can also start slightly detangling my hair as I'm washing and rinsing out the shampoo. The next product I use is the African Pride Moisture Miracle Conditioner. I just quickly rub this into my hair and continue to finger detangle as I rinse it out. After this, I'm going to deep condition my hair. You may be asking yourself, why is she using a deep conditioner and a regular conditioner? Well, regular conditioner is for detangling, moisturizing, and softening the hair, but it only works on the surface of your strands. The purpose of deep conditioner is to penetrate the hair and repair it from the inside. Deep conditioner provides more of an intensive treatment. The last product I'm using is this Camille Rose Algae Renew Deep Conditioner. This is probably the most expensive product I use at a little over $20 a jar. I like this product because it's like a thick butter texture that coats the hair, and my hair drinks it up every time I use it. I let this sit for about 30 minutes underneath a shower cap before I rinse it out. While I'm rinsing, I also take my wide tooth comb and fully detangle one side of my hair at a time. The conditioner combined with the water creates enough slip for the comb so that I'm not pulling my hair out. And we're finally done. Now I move to the room where I will use my Rev Air reverse hair dryer to dry my hair. In the last video, I said I didn't spend money on any additional hair manipulation tools, but I conveniently forgot that I spent almost $400 on this hair dryer during the early stage of my transitioning journey. I'm sure that there are alternatives to this dryer by now, but this was definitely worth the investment for me and has saved my hair and my mental health during my transitioning process. I used to use a blow dryer with a comb attachment to get my hair dry because sitting underneath a hooded dryer left my hair crunchy and hard to comb afterwards. The problem with traditional blow dryers that have that comb attachment is I would break the teeth of the comb attachment, and I would also break my hair every time I used it. It literally seemed like there was more hair on the floor than on my head after each blow dry session. So this Rev Air has been a life changer for me. One thing I realized during this blow drying session is that after my hair was dry, my comb kept getting stuck when I was trying to detangle it again before putting it into a ponytail. In the previous video, I said that when my comb gets stuck, I take my scissors and cut along the line where the comb is getting stuck all around my hair. Well, this time I noticed that my comb was stopping along the line of demarcation, which is where my new growth or original hair texture met my relaxed ends. This means the next time I wash my hair will have to be the time where I cut the rest of my relaxed ends off and start a new chapter of my hair journey. You'll notice in the footage when I'm combing, I will sometimes make a face, and it's because the comb is getting stuck and my tender-headed self is struggling. I'm excited to embark on this new path in my hair journey, and I will be taking you all along with me. I'll see y'all in the next video when I attempt a new hairstyle and the hair I choose ends up turning out completely different than what I expected. See you next time.